Direct sowing seeds out into the garden can offer challenges, especially when those seeds are very small. Here's a little trick to help you sow those small seeds a little bit better and get a little better spacing on a seed. After opening up your furrow in the garden right here, take a piece of toilet paper and line that furrow with the toilet paper, and you can basically anchor this down a little bit to keep the wind from taking it away. But now what the toilet paper does, it offers you a white background so you can see where these very small seeds are going. So now you can take your very small seed, here's some dill seed, and as they hit the piece of paper, you can see exactly where they're at, and you can get a little better spacing on them. After you sow the seed, you can then take soil and cover up the seed at the recommended spacing, and after you cover it up, you can water it lightly, and the seeds will be on their way to germination. Another tip that you can do to keep this row uniformly moist, which is very helpful in getting good uniform germination, is to take what's called a web flat. This is something that your annual flowers come in, and because of the fact it has this lattice bottom to it, you can just take and turn this over the top of your row, put something on top of the flat to keep it from blowing away, but now this acts as a shade. It offers about 50% shade. It will keep that row uniformly moist throughout the germination process. And what's interesting about that, in about 10 days to 2 weeks, depending upon what kind of seed you sow, this is the result of that sowing. The paper that was here originally has all disintegrated, and now we have this nice uniform row, in this case lettuce. So you can see this can help you in sowing those very tiny seeds.